Did you know you can actually get paid to listen to music? Yes, you heard that right. Imagine turning your love for music into a source of income. Yeah, this isn't just a dream, it's a real opportunity that you can start taking advantage of today. In this video, I'm going to reveal a legitimate platform that will compensate you for sharing your music opinions and preferences. This is perfect for those who are passionate about music and want to make some extra cash. Stop letting your music addiction go to waste. Learn how to transform it into a profitable skill. Whether you're a casual listener or a music enthusiast, this could be a game changer for you. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our amazing money-making methods. We regularly share tips and tricks to help you earn more online. We offer global opportunities for online earning. No matter where you are in the world, there's a chance for you to get involved and start making money. Comment your country below for region-specific videos. Your feedback helps us create content that is tailored to your needs. Now let's get started. The platform I'm talking about is called SoundCampaign. It's a fantastic way to monetize your love for music. SoundCampaign offers a unique opportunity to make money by listening to music. It's a win-win situation for both music lovers and artists. It connects music artists with playlist curators, allowing artists to receive valuable feedback on their tracks. This feedback is crucial for artists looking to improve and reach a wider audience. As a SoundCampaign curator, you earn by reviewing new songs and potentially adding them to your Spotify playlists. This not only helps artists, but also keeps your playlists fresh and exciting. Once you become a SoundCampaign curator, SoundCampaign will send you tracks they think are a good match for your Spotify playlist, so you can review them and add them to your playlists. This ensures that the music you review aligns with your taste. When you leave a review, your reward will depend on which playlist is matched for that review. The more popular your playlist, the higher your potential earnings. Your prize size will be determined by SoundCampaign's ranking system based on scores. This system ensures that curators are fairly compensated for their efforts. Each playlist has a rank within the system based on the number of followers the playlist has and the value it provides to the playlist artists. The more followers you have, the more valuable your playlist becomes. As a SoundCampaign curator, you'll have a constant stream of new songs to listen to, allowing you to earn rewards regularly. This means you can enjoy new music while making money at the same time. For each song review you complete, you will earn a fixed amount, which will be credited to your SoundCampaign account balance. This makes it easy to track your earnings and see your progress. Once you earn at least $20, you can withdraw your earnings via direct bank transfer. This makes it convenient to access your money whenever you need it. SoundCampaign is available more or less worldwide, but I would say that it is not for everyone. It's important to meet the requirements to qualify as a curator, because to qualify as a curator, you must have a playlist with at least 20 tracks and at least 1,000 followers. This ensures that you have a significant audience for the music you review. This is the #1 requirement you must fulfill. Without meeting this criterion, you won't be able to participate as a curator. Also, all your followers must be real and organic, meaning you can't use bots to grow your following. This ensures the integrity of the platform and the value of your feedback. Thanks for watching. If you found the video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Your engagement helps us reach more people and create better content. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. We have plenty of exciting content coming your way, so don't miss out.